What's up, bee lovers, bee haters, and homegrown tomatoes? We got another cool little removal here for you guys. So you can't see it great right now, but we've got a whole colony of bees here behind some of this paneling. So thanks for coming and catching a buzz with us. We're going to try to make this as informative as we can, try to get y'all some cool footage. But thanks for watching, and check it out. Alright, here on another bee removal. I think we know where they're at. Getting the smoker rolling. About to roll, baby.
Up forward this way. I think I can use that wood to keep it off the hive. Here it comes.
Look at that. Here we go. She's getting exposed. Alright guys, we've got this hive exposed up here. Try not to fall off the ladder. Looks like it's about 3 pieces of big cone. We're gonna have to take it down in one big chunk, and then we'll get it a little bit smaller as we're getting it in the frames. Beautiful. See all that brood comb on the back side. This piece doesn't have a lot in it, but it does have a bunch of bee bread. So that's all stored fall in there that they went ahead and fermented. And now that's ready to feed all the baby bees. So we are going to keep this for them. We're going to bring it over here. I'm going to cut it about the size of the frame we're going to put it in. We got some brood, so those are actually larvae right here. I didn't notice that. So we got larvae. That's all freshly about to hatch bees. So we're going to make sure we keep that for them. Bring it over here. Cut it pretty perfect. Put this rubber band in front of it. Good to go. Go ahead and actually just call that a piece. Set that in here. Do that a couple more times.
And why are you cutting it?
Just to make it fit in the frame. So if you saw, that last one fit pretty much perfect. Oh, got some wind here. Pretty much perfect size. Could have done it a little higher, but now it fits in the frame nicely. Do that.
Okay, so is there a specific orientation then that the honeycomb needs to be?
Yeah, so you want your brood on the inside. So now this one doesn't have any brood. I'm going to put that to the outside. We can just leave this piece out for now. We'll probably get that in a couple of edge pieces, or that's what I'll probably do. This, cut it, fit, stick it in like that, move the band over. That's a full frame of comb. Got a few extra pieces here we'll keep to the side for now. Let's go grab another. And this one is this one I can tell is the all-important one, because we have a lot of brood right here. This is all baby bees about to hatch. piece of comb right there. All right. Got some honey dripping down. We're gonna do the same process. Try to be as careful as we can, but since I pulled it out up and down, we want to make sure we keep it up and down like that.
See, that was the question I was asking.
Yeah, so we are unfortunately losing a few bees there whenever I'm cutting it, but nothing that they can't recover from. So ideally, want to get that little piece like that. Frame here. That. Bring this over. My fancy bee fastener, and that is a beautiful piece of comb with lots of baby bees about to be born. We'll do that again. Open up this middle where I'll put that real quick. I'll try to avoid cutting into any more brood there.
What is brood?
Brood is the baby bees. So all this light colored solid, so it's not solid here and it's solid here, but you can even see that's capped brood, but even on the edge here, we've got lots of bees about to be born. A stinger to the glove there. And I'm gonna get this into this frame. Keep this brood protected. And this piece is pretty empty so far, so we'll just leave this for now and put that on the ends of some of them. Okay, let's go grab our last piece up there. Alright, so we got one more piece to grab. Looks like it also is a beautiful piece of brood comb with some capped honey at the top. You're going to cut around that capped honey because they don't love to travel. If the honey doesn't travel real well, it kind of just ends up making a mess. So try to keep that separate from the rest of the comb. Get stung on the wrist here. Oh, we got one more little piece behind it. But here we go. There's another beautiful piece. Do the same process. Bring this down. Cut it to a few manageable sizes. Okay, and we got that box full now. Move over to this box. Same thing. I was cutting them a little short there, so I'm going to make this one a little bit longer. See if I can't get the perfect fit.
Is that also brood?
That is still brood, yeah. This colony has been real busy. We're in early spring here. We're technically in real southern Oklahoma. We're in Calera, but real close to North Texas where we usually work. And we've had a pretty early spring here, so these bees are real busy laying a bunch of eggs. So we'll go up there and grab this last piece real quick. Then we'll show y'all how we clean everything up, and we'll keep the video rolling. But this piece doesn't have any brood in it. This is just bee bread.
What does bee bread mean?
Bee bread is when they've already fermented pollen.
Okay.
And that's what they store into these cells, that yellow stuff in the cells. This is bee bread. And that's so that they can feed their babies. this one doesn't, the orientation of this one doesn't matter as much because it doesn't have baby bees in it. So we can actually just keep this piece pretty much whole and pop it right into a frame, just like that. Now I'm gonna put this one on the inside. We'll go ahead, and I've got some extra frames here, so I'm gonna go ahead and frame these other ones up. But that's pretty much, we got everything pretty much out of there now. So we're gonna vacuum a little bit more, pull out the honeycomb, and we'll catch you in the next part of the video. All right. There you
Oh,
go.
you're giving it to me?
Yeah, that's yours.
Okay, is this going on Facebook? I have no makeup.
That's okay. All right, big lovers. We are pretty much done. You see up there, there's no more comb, no more bees really. So we're gonna get these bees back to the bee yard. We'll get that on video. But thanks for watching, guys.
Need that other link. Oh, got her. Do you?
Yep, right here. There's the queen.
She's big, like I told you she was?
Oh, big girl.
Yeah, see, I told you. That's the one I sucked up.
Huge girl.
Yeah. Yeah, I told you she had a big